Peerless is leading the way in the area of sanitation. With Peerless mixers, you never have to worry about contamination.
So with Peerless, they have a system where sanitation is simple. When we serve the public, we want to make sure it's food safety compliance and there's zero occurrence of contamination.
With Peerless, the organization changed now. Before we used to clean our equipment every 2 hours. Now it's like 2 times a day.
They want to be safeguarded with safe foods. Having equipment that are easy to clean and are worry-free would be very, very important.
Innovation, service, sanitation, and integration. These are the cornerstones of Peerless performance.